Hello everyone, you're watching Brut Code, and in today's video I have brought you a tool which will save your time a lot. That tool is none other than Drizzle. So what does this tool do? Why do you need to use it? And who needs to use it? So if you are a Web3 developer, you would already know what Drizzle is. So Drizzle is a tool provided by Truffle which makes it easy for our smart contracts to be showcased on our front end. So if you don't know what Truffle is and what I'm talking about, you should check my previous videos about Web3 tools. It would be quite helpful for you. So before getting started, I would like to tell you that, so without further ado, let's get straight to it. I would shift my view to the browser. So let's go to the website of Truffle. So this is truffle/drizzle. So Drizzle is fresh chain data for frontends. So it will provide you smart contract data to your front end, and you can install it from here like this. But I would prefer installing it as a Truffle box. So if you don't know what a Truffle box is nothing but basically a package which has Truffle integrated into it. So if I go to this GitHub repo over here, which is github.com/trufflebox/drizzlebox. So there's something called as drizzlebox, which already has this React inbuilt into it. So I would leave this link below in my description, but for you who want to explore more, you can come over here. So basically you just need to do truffle and box drizzle, which we would be doing right away. So if I go into the coding folder, I already have cloned drizzle. But if you haven't, what you need to do is you need to make a folder. You could say test, and I would say drizzle test. And once you have made that directory, you need to go into it and just git clone this truffle box, or you can directly do it truffle unbox drizzle. This would also work for you. I would not be doing this right now, but for you who have not done this, I recommend doing it right away. So I have my project over here ready. So I have installed the dependencies, as you can see, node modules and etc. And we would go by the guide. So first we installed Drizzle. Our installation is complete. Then we need to run the development console. So if you don't know what development console is, it is basically an interactive Node.js console which helps you to interact with Truffle directly. You can send commands directly to Truffle without needing to type truffle again. So you could also do compile and migrate like this. So you could truffle compile. You could compile it like this. Or you could go into the development console which says truffle develop, and you could compile it from here. So you see here it spins up a Ganache client with 10 accounts with 100 ETH each, and here's a mnemonic. Okay, so let's do a compile again. So we have successfully compiled our contracts. All of our contracts are compiled. You would see that you would see many things over here that all of the contracts are compiled. Next I would migrate my contracts. Oops. Okay, so this would just deploy our contracts. So these contracts are deployed. Let's check which contracts do we have. We have migrations, which is just initial migrations file of Truffle, nothing of our concern. And then we have simple storage, tutorial token, and complex storage. So I think this is the example which I was talking about in the start, where you can store a num and you can retrieve its value from the front end. And we have the tutorial token. I think this is an ERC20 token. Then we have complex storage, which we would be looking right away. So let me open up another terminal, and if I move into the apps folder, which is the folder for our React app. If I list, so you see this is a React app. If I list the source directory, you see app.js, contracts and everything. So this has already been integrated into the front end for us, and we could directly run start. So this will spin up our website on localhost 3000. Okay, so we are up and running. This is the sample website of Drizzle. This is the initial website of Drizzle. You can see we can store the value here. We can store the value. Okay, so this is already integrated. Then we have the tutorial token. We have a total supply of 12,000 tutorial token. My balance is 12,000, so I can send to another address, which we would be doing right away. So if I choose the second address from here, because my address will be the first address, amount I would send let's say 300 tokens, I think. Okay, so my balance is 11,700, and we can check this balance. We can add basically functions over here. And that was all for Drizzle. Thanks for watching. If you like my work, please subscribe to the channel, and please follow me on Twitter for getting notified first. That was all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.